Hello and welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the error message in WhatsApp that says you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. So you might be experiencing this problem, so I'm going to show you how you can fix this. Step 1. You can disable the Play Protect. So in order to do that, you can open your Play Store and click on your profile at the top right. Then click on Play Protect right here. After you do so, you can tap on the settings icon at the top right, and by default you can see there are two options turned on. You can turn them off both. You will need to authenticate your phone and enter your PIN. After you do so, you can clear your WhatsApp cache, so you can just go in this and then go to storage. First of all, you can force stop the WhatsApp and then go to your storage and clear cache. And if you do all of this, you can see if it has resolved the issue. If not, you can follow to step 2. So step 2 is going to your Play Store and open WhatsApp. Then you will have to uninstall and reinstall the app. Please note that uninstalling the app may lead to deleting your chat data, so you will have to back it up if you're going to uninstall. And if it still doesn't work, there is one final option that you can do. So to do that, you will just have to go to your Chrome browser and then search for WhatsApp contact. Then open the first link. Then you will have to input all of your details like your phone number and your email address. Then choose the device that you're using and enter a short message that you have. So for example, I've written here, I recently received a message stating that I need the official WhatsApp to use my account. However, I'm using the official version, so can you please help me with this issue and guide me how to resolve it? Thanks. So you can write similar message to this and then click on next step and then submit your form. Once you do that, you will hear back from the team hopefully, and they can resolve your issue. And that's all. Thank you for watching.